Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how can you easily translate documents or PDF files in different languages using Claude AI. If you are using Claude AI and you want to translate any of your PDF or your document to different languages, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your browser and your PC, and here you have to open Claude AI. Make sure that you're logged into your account and just go to a new chat. So now once you are in the new chat, you just have to click on this plus icon, click on add files or photos, and then you just have to upload your PDF or your document here. I'm gonna open this PDF. And once I've opened your PDF, you have to enter a simple prompt. So here I'm going to paste my prompt, which is translate this document from, and here you have to enter your basic language or the PDFs or your documents language, and then you have to enter your target language here. After that, if you want to make any changes in this, like any changes in tone, formatting, headings, tables, or bullet points, or something like that, so you can make them or you can change them. Or if you don't want to make any changes, so you just have to enter this, preserve the original formatting, heading, tables, and bullet points with a professional business tone. Once you have done this, click on the send option, and it will create a document file in Spanish language, or sometimes it might be give you text. If you want to create a document file again, so you just have to write here, create a PDF file for this, and it will create a PDF file for you. So in this way, you can easily translate your documents in different languages. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.